y'all. I know some of you guys are having trouble finding bandanas to make face masks. The CDC is now recommending that you wear a face mask of some sort in public settings where social distancing is hard to do, such as grocery stores or pharmacies, etc. It's also, if for some reason you have the virus and you're not showing any symptoms, to keep it from spreading to other people. And so on the CDC website at cdc.gov, you can just type in homemade face mask. It'll pop up on your results. It tells you how to make different types of homemade coverings, masks. One of them is a no-sew option using a t-shirt. I happen to have a lot of t-shirt scraps upstairs. I was going to make a t-shirt quilt and never finished it, so I have a bunch of t-shirt scraps. So I'm able to make these like no-sew masks. So I'll show you how to make it, but it ends up, you get two different ties here. And so that now you're able to protect your face. Because, you know, masks and stuff are being used now in the healthcare setting. Because they need it, you know. So I'm going to teach you how to make this real quick. It's really, really simple. So you just get a t-shirt. I know everybody has an old t-shirt in their closet. I'm sure a lot of people are cleaning out their closets right now because there's not a lot to do right now. So you're going to cut 7 to 8 inches off the bottom here. And so, I mean, it doesn't really matter. You can just cut it across, but, so you're going to cut 7 to 8 inches across the very bottom of your t-shirt here. Alright, it doesn't have to be pretty. We're just trying to be safe, right? So you got the bottom here. And then you're going to cut 6 to 7 inches up on each side. So I'm going to do that real quick. We're basically making the straps. And again, it doesn't have to look pretty. Okay, so then you got this little spot, you're just going to cut it across. Okay, see that? And then we're just going to cut the ends because these are going to be used to tie, right? Okay, someone has a bigger head than others. So now you've got this, right? Real simple. So then you use the top two and you go around, you tie it in a knot or whatever. And then you tie the bottom. And there you go. You've got a face mask. So I mean, and then you've just got an old t-shirt here. But hopefully this is helpful for you guys to slow the spread. Stay home, be safe. But if you have to go out to the grocery store, CDC is recommending wearing a face mask. So yeah, be safe, you guys. Hope y'all are doing well.